You can't disqualify like I want to walk out in public. Caught tomorrow on Nation News. Yes, tomorrow top subject. Brawling, brawling. And you big up for them. And you big up for them. And let me go for them. Madam bad, it's true. We go for them brawling to this side. Funny boy, you got to be retarded. They always got a big no recording to give your brain a visa and send it to go foreign. Foreign, and then your body gone courage, cause you're the soft like porridge. Your mother special that she had for the mortgage. Cool like Houthi and Hamas. Six, were built in Hamas. Full for who like enough drama. 15 that does talk good grammar. One scatter where we put it to you. People go off on your bladder. Broad day like we will bust that tomato. I tell the judge the years don't matter, cause we went for them brawling, and we left them at the balling. Yes, we went for them. So if I go for them, and yeah, we go for them, and then we go for them brawling. Yes, we went for them. Madam bad, brawling. It's true. And if we take it up again, 6 feet deep, another the big get a friend. Boom, and the lost a friend. If your woman want me and that, cause I get hot like charcoal. And if you're this way, you cut. This dream team, if you think you're hard bull, we make them boy jump out like young tadpole. We the brawling, yes, we went for them brawling, and we left them at the balling. Calfan go for them. Yes, we went for them brawling, yes, we went for them. Madam bad, ear candy, let them know that all we coming handy. Brawling, yes, we went for them. So if you go for them, Calfan go for them. Madam bad,